Alright, so we're in the jungle, walking up, trying to find the skate park. So I just got a message from my brother. He says that there's a new skateboard park in the jungle. It's gonna be cool. Google Maps says it's like 15 minutes away, so we're gonna go try to find the skate park. I haven't skated. My skateboard's been in this room here since quarantine started. Got my board, Surf Ranch board, got some Surf Ranch stickers on there. Also, I found this. It's a brand new deck. I actually want to give this away to one of you guys to be able to come pick it up at the Surf Ranch. So yeah, all you have to do is just comment on this video, like, and share it. This could be yours. We got a bunch of Surf Ranch stickers too we'll throw in. We got some wax, got some machetes. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I hope we can find it. Let's go outside right now. Get my shoes on. So we got the camera, we got a bunch of beers, and the skateboard. So we're gonna go check out this new jungle skate park. Yo, what's up? Yo, were you texting me? Oh. Alright, let's go find the skate park. According to Google Maps, we're almost at the jungle skate park. So it's somewhere around here. I'm gonna park and try to find it. I can turn around? Found it. So yeah, this is our friend Stefan skate park. He built it. He owns a little hostel called Clandestino. It's pretty sick. You guys gotta check it out. That's it. You own all this property?
Yeah, like that's pretty much the host property from here. Okay.
Found the jungle skate park.
Yesterday I was a little bit too thick, so it's just coming off.
Oh yeah. How does it grind with that? It's good?
Yeah, like it's...
Yeah, so all these things are made of beer cans. Cement.
A lot of warm and a lot of dry.
Yeah, like to fill all these up with cement all the way around. Or just to there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Beer time.
Yeah, dude. Alright, so we just finished skating the jungle skate park. It's pretty awesome. I recommend it to everybody watching this video. Hostel Clandestino. Come check it out. Alright, which way are we going? Oh yeah, let's go this way. Let's go this way.